can measure that, or how we can know by ourselves that there is a magnetic field has been created when the current is flowing through the conductor, right? So for that, we have here we have a small experiment. We can do some kind of experiment, right? So here I have taken, so here it is, yes. Okay. Let me take a small circuit here, right? So in this circuit we have some many circuit components. So I can say that, so here we have resistor, rheostat, right? This symbol indicates that rheostat, variable resistance, isn't it? So, and this is a circuit component for ammeter. So why do we what is the use of ammeter? Of course we know that we can use it for the to measure the flow of current, and the two or more cells combinedly we can call it as a battery. And here the brown color, this is a whatever the thing we can see here, like in brown color, that is called as a copper wire. I can consider as a conductor, right? So when and this K symbol represents, that is the plug key. So what is the function of plug key? The plug key is the thermometer which acts as a switch, right? Which can be allow the circuit, which can be allow the current, which can be flows into the circuit. Or if suppose if there is a open plug key, I can say that there is no flow of currents inside the circuit, right? So now if the plug key is on, I mean the switch is on, when the current is always flows from positive to negative. Please be remember, the current which always flows from positive end to negative end. Then how does electrons flow? Of course, you have seen that, you have learned that the electrons can be flows from negative to positive, right? So now the current will be flows from positive to negative. So now here, in this case, the current will be flows from X to Y. Now I can say that here the points X and Y, what we have taken here. So X and Y are the ends of the conductor, right? Then A and B, C, D, and whatever we can see here, A, B, C, D is the one of the plain paper. I have just placed the paper. Why? Because here I am placing the compass needle here. So here I have placed compass needle. So what do you mean by compass needle generally? The compass needle is a device which can be used to which can be tells about in which direction we are right now ahead, right? So in which direction, okay, that way that can be tells that, okay, that can shows that, so what is the direction which is indicating, right? So I can show you the what is the compass needle. So I think here it is. Okay, this is the compass needle. So generally that is used to to know the directions, like what is the north direction, east, west, south, etc. Again, the one thing we should remember, this compass needle, which is also called as a small bar magnet, means this is nothing but whatever the needle we can see here. There is nothing but I can simply say that that is made up by the sum of the magnet. So, and we also we also know that whenever if we freely suspend bar magnet, that can be aligned in a north and south side direction. Why? Because our Earth acts as a magnet, isn't it? So as a result, so whenever this magnet can be freely suspended, that always aligns, or that always align towards the north and south pole. Okay. So okay, this is the compass needle, and now this compass needle, it is basically I said that that is one of the magnet, isn't it? So one magnet, when it brought nearby another magnet, what would happen? Of course, there is a kind of force will be generated. That is nothing but magnetic forces will be arises. Either the magnet repels or the magnets attracts, isn't it? So only when this bar magnet, when it brought near the another magnet, because these two are the magnets, isn't it? So similarly, I am just placing a compass needle over the paper, right? So as I said earlier, when the current is flows inside this copper wire, right? Whenever the current starts to flows in this conducting wire, at the meantime, we can see that this compass needle will be deflected, or this magnet will be deflected. So what do you mean by deflected? That has been aligned in a different direction. Initially, that will be in the some other direction. That would be aligned in the some other direction. After, when the current flows inside this conducting wire, right? At the time, this compass needle will be deflected to the some other direction. So now we have to think about, so why this compass needle has been deflected? Because of the around this current carrying conductor, as I said earlier, So whenever the current carrying conductor, that will be produces magnetic field surrounding by it. So whenever this magnetic field will be produces, this magnetic field will be affect the compass needle. As a result, this is also magnet. This is also kind of magnet, isn't it? This is also magnet. So whenever these two magnets, when we brought near, what would happen? What would happen? That will be, the force will be interacted, isn't it? So as a result, this compass needle will be deflected. So now we can conclude that, so whenever the current carrying conductor, that will be produced magnetic field surrounding by it, right? So this is one of the small phenomenon, one of the small experiment we can see here, right? So